My name is Kelly Urjevec, and I am here today to present my proposal for bringing mobile computing capabilities to 200 of our students in grades 7, 8, and 9. First, I'm just going to go ahead and close myself out of here and move myself up to the corner. And we're going to take a look at a little handout that we'll be passing out. Everybody can have one of these. You can follow along with it. And also feel free to take it with you at the end of the presentation. And it just kind of has our quick at-a-glance facts as we go through this proposal. All right, now we'll get rid of this and we will open up our presentation. And boom, there we go. All right, so like I said, we are proposing that 200 of our 7th, 8th, and 9th grade students receive devices in order to allow them to take part in mobile computing. So first, let's take a look at our problem. We do see many problems regarding students not having access to mobile devices, which in turn allows them to participate in mobile computing. But the big problems at hand right now is that students are not able to work on content outside of the school. We're also looking for affordable, reliable, and durable devices. We do have to keep in mind that these are 7th, 8th, and 9th grade students, and these devices will be traveling in their backpacks. They will probably be left out at the kitchen table at home, be toted around wherever they go during the school day, coming in and out of backpacks as they need them for class. So we definitely want them to be reliable and durable. And because we have limited funding, of course, we want them to be affordable also. Another problem that we're currently facing is that we are very limited with our sharing between parents, students, and teachers right now without having mobile computing available to students. So now that we know some of our problems, let's take a look at some of our solutions. One solution that we're looking at is being able to provide one-to-one mobile computing for students in grades 7, 8, and 9. That means that each student would be matched with a device allowing for mobile computing. No more visiting the computer lab and having to share computers. No more having to wait to sign in and out of the media center and using the media carts. 200 of our students would have their very own mobile computing device. The device we are looking at would be the Acer Chromebook. And a great thing about this is Chromebooks support the G Suite, which would mean Google Docs, Gmail, Google Drive. These would be available for all staff and all students who have an Acer Chromebook, meaning that staff and students can communicate and easily share and view and work on all of their school content. All right, let's get out of this one. And now the big issue will be cost. So let's take a closer look at that. The Acer Chromebook has a lot of good features to it, and we can get these. These are refurbished models, and they currently are selling for $199 each. And if we're looking at outfitting 200 of our students, we want to account for an additional 10% for ones that might become damaged. So we want to order 220 Chromebooks, and at $199 each, we're looking at a grand total of $43,780 for the cost to outfit 200 of our students. If we're taking a look at what exactly we're outfitting them with, we're looking at the Acer Chromebook. We were able to find this, like I said, refurbished at Best Buy as low as $199. These feature an Intel Pentium N4200 central processing unit. They have Intel high definition graphics, 4 gigabytes of RAM, a 15.6-inch screen, and 32 gigabytes of internal flash storage. And they also have a 720 pixel webcam and over 9 hours of battery life. So we're looking at a pretty nice device to be outfitting our students with. All right, let's get out of here now and look at how we will implement this. If this proposal is approved, we can start training teachers in the Google Suites almost immediately. We will move ahead to approve the purchase and order our Chromebooks this year. So by the end of 2020 and into the beginning of the 2021 school year, we can get this ball rolling, and implementation of the 1-to-1 ratio of Chromebooks for all students grades 7, 8, and 9 would begin at the start of the 2021 and 2022 school year. And of course, the impact. This is kind of the most important part, if you ask me. Students will now be able to share, work on, and better understand content from anywhere, both in school and outside of school. If there's one thing that educators have been made aware of in our last 12 months, is the importance of students being able to access content and also participate, also be able to join in and work together even though we might be far apart. It's a really good thing. This will also improve communication between students and teachers. All students in grades 7, 8, and 9 will now have access to a mobile computing device. And in addition to being able to work together and share and understand content, they will also gain competency in the Google Suite services and mobile technology in general. And I think this is a wonderful, wonderful thing that we can provide for our students. So thank you very much for being here for this presentation, and I hope you learned a thing or two and enjoyed it. Thank you.